We have our political face-off for the evening. Sanju Verma, National Spokesperson BJP, Mahima Singh, National Spokesperson Congress, because now it's a direct BJP versus Congress, especially on what the Congress workers said. Mahima Singh, the defense of the Congress till now has been that this was a plant by the BJP at your own rally to embarrass the Congress. How do you furbish any proof of that? He was a card-bearing Congress worker.
Jai Hind. Preeti, which card you are talking about, I'm not aware. But before I come to answer the direct question that you have put up, let me first of all condemn such remarks, such actions against any national leader, PM or not, whether it is PM Modi or not. Such remarks against national leaders, whether they are from the Congress, the BJP, any party, I think lower the discourse and they are highly condemnable, which is why various Congress leaders have tweeted and put their statements out against it. And Pawan Kheda ji has said today clearly that please, he's been arrested. Please find out where is he from, who, what is his identity, who is he? Because we have clarified he's not one of our men. Number one. Number two is, Preeti, as I say that these remarks are condemnable, the ruling party that has been ruling this country, governing this country for the last 11 years, must set the benchmarks. Unfortunately, BJP spokespersons, and you will see in the due course of time during this debate only, do otherwise. And their tone and tenor, their words are contrasting. How they have been speaking about Rahul Gandhi ji over the past 11 years and before that, how their leaders have been speaking about Rahul Gandhi ji and Sonia Gandhi ji, of course, are reflective of the remarks that Mr. Narendra Modi made about Sri Rahul Gandhi ji's mother and the Honorable President of the Congress those times. You know, he didn't resist. His words were very clear. His tone was very clear when he said, Jersey guy, Congress ki vidwa. Who was he talking about today? The Home Minister says, well, Prime Minister's mother. Prime Minister's mother is a mother, but anybody else's mother is not a mother. Congress ki vidwa, Jersey guy, these remarks can be made about a tall leader, let alone the mother of her children. About a tall leader, the only longest serving woman.
Ma'am, your time is up. I would reckon it's, we might want to get into the ambits of leaders, but language such as what we heard is despicable for anyone to use. I want to bring in Sanju Verma into this conversation. Sanju Verma, the Congress claims till now that the person who made the derogatory, horrific comment against the Prime Minister was not from their party. They want the Bihar police to investigate. The instigation is that he was actually a plant by the BJP. I want to add to this, Sanju Verma, because you also heard somebody like a Suvendu Adhikari, who's not just a Congress worker, he's the leader of opposition, represents your party in the state of West Bengal, who used a term, I would think, as horrific as the Congress cadre for Prime Minister Modi. But Suvendu Adhikari used the same kind of terminology for Rahul Gandhi, and no action was taken.
Preeti, let me make one thing very clear. I'm aggressive, but I've always wholeheartedly condemned abusive language. On your show, I remember a year back, I was asked about Ramesh Biduri, and I said, I don't support or endorse what he said about a certain community on the floor of the parliament. Despite being the national spokesperson of the BJP, I am under no compulsion to endorse abusive leaders. That is the freedom that my party top brass gives me. Equally, if you abuse the Prime Minister, you abuse the Home Minister, and you expect that Sanju Verma aapko debates par free run degi, and I will sit and applaud you and clap for you, you are grossly mistaken. Aapko aapki auqat bhi dikhai jayegi, you will be shown the mirror, and you will be spoken to in the language that you understand. Let me say one thing very clearly. What did Jairam Ramesh call the Prime Minister? Duryodhan. What did Kanhaiya Kumar call the Prime Minister? He called Nalayak. Nalayak Sanghi. And what did Sonia Gandhi say about the Prime Minister? Maut ka Saudagar. And what did Kharge, Mallikarjun Kharge, say about Prime Minister? Ye Ravan se bhi battar hai. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary said, ye gandi nali hai. So let's not get into your gali versus my gali. My limited point is this. Forget everybody else. Let's talk about leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi. What did he say about Prime Minister Modi just barely a little over a year back ahead of 2024 Lok Sabha elections? अरे ये जो नरेंद्र मोदी है ना, ये जब 2024 का चुनाव हार जाएगा, ये जो देश की जनता है, ये सड़कों पर उतरकर मोदी को डंडे मारेगी. Imagine, this is viral on social media. This is not an AI generated clip where Rahul Gandhi, as abusive as he can get, says मोदी को युवा जनता डंडे मारेगी. This is the same Rahul Gandhi who says चीन की सेना ने आकर भारतीय सेना की पिटाई कर दी तो
Ma'am,
यहाँ
your
बैठकर
time's
सब-
up. I'm running out of time, but I'm going to give you both 1 minute each to put your piece forward. Mahima Singh, 1 minute of all the allegations that are right now. You continue to deflect, suggesting that this person was never in your party alone.
Absolutely not. We have said let the investigation be done. He's been sent for a remand for 14 days. Let the truth come out. Otherwise, we wouldn't have said it with such clarity. Murkhon ka Sardar, Preeti, who said that? Madam, you are ill. Let the Shehzada take over. Who said that? Papu's birthright, Amit Shah said in 2013. Rahukal, Nirmala Sitaraman said, in a reply to 2022 budget speech. Videshi Takaton ka mohra, Amit Malviya said. Prahlad Joshi goes on to say he knows nothing about an elected MP. Not a bright kid of your dynasty party, Sambit Patra. The list is so long, we don't even want to delve into it, Preeti, because that's not our legacy. That is the BJP's legacy. We'll let them fend for it. We know where we stand. We know that the BJP is rattled and terrified of the crowds that they can see on the roads in Bihar. They know that the Bihar election is gone for them. They know that Rahul Gandhi.
Ma'am, time's up. We'll only know where the Bihar election goes when that last vote is counted. But Sanju Verma, your 1 minute starts now.
I remember being on debates with Mahima Singh before the Maharashtra election result. She said Maharashtra to Rahul Gandhi or Uddhav Sena ki party jeetegi. She had a nice big fat omelette on her face. Then I remember ahead of Haryana election results, she said, the Jats of Haryana don't like Narendra Modi. She again, had a nice big fat omelette on her face. Haryana, we were voted back to power for the third time in a row. Then Mahima Singh said before Delhi election result, Delhi to is baar Congress jeetegi. Congress could not even win one single seat. The BJP came back to power after 27 long years. Mahima Singh again had a nice big fat omelette on her face. Arey Prime Minister Modi ko bhul jao. Even Draupadi Murmu, the Supreme Commander of Armed Forces, was humiliated by Rahul Gandhi, humiliated by Sandeep Dixit, humiliated by Sonia Gandhi. A tribal woman from Mayurbhanj district of Odisha became the first tribal woman president of India. और आपके राहुल गांधी ने उनकी भी बेइज्जती की. So Mahima Singh, you have nowhere to hide. Stop giving your pearls of wisdom to BJP. You have nothing by way of.
All right,
support.
we're gonna let it rest. But viewers, we give you something to think about because there will be so many debates, especially across channels, that you will see that will be stilted towards one side or the other. We're trying to give you perspective here. What was said after the rally in Bihar was obnoxious. The Congress worker, right now we're going to call him a Congress worker because this is where he was found. An investigation is pending and he has been arrested. The Congress claims that he's not ours, he's a plant to make the party look bad. We'll only know that's a matter of investigation. On the other side, this is not a Congress or a BJP. Foul language in the realms of politics in India has been terrible. You just heard what Mahua Moitra said, where the Home Minister is concerned, and you also heard what Suvendu Adhikari said, where Rahul Gandhi was concerned. So none the richer, it cuts both ways.